Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Login Aid. In today's video, I'm going to guide you guys on how to change your account to private in Threads. Make sure to watch the video till the end and you'll be able to do it in no time. Thread is a newly launched app by a Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp parent company, Meta. Threads is a big competition to Twitter in which you can post text-based posts, photos, and videos. Let's assume you're logged into your Thread account. If you're not, log into it. After that, you'll be on your home page of Threads. Then you can see your profile icon on the right lower corner of your screen. Tap on that. After tapping on your profile icon, you'll be in your profile page of Threads. Then you can see edit profile option. Besides share profile, you'll have to tap on it. After that, a window like this will slide on your screen and you can see private profile option as the last option. You can see the toggle button is off. You'll have to on the toggle button and then your profile will be private. Tap on done, which is on the right upper corner of your screen. Then your account is private. So that's it for the video guys. I hope the video was informative. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, keep watching.